Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free credit card for Discord Nitro. So then to begin with, open up a web browser and log in into your Discord account. For that, type in www.discord.com. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. So click on the login button, and after that you'll be asked to provide in your information such as your email address, either your phone number and a password. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. So in order to get a free credit card, you'll need to go ahead and tap on gear icon. It's going to direct you to the user settings page. In the left hand side bar, you can see multiple options. So from the list, you need to go ahead and tap on Nitro. As soon as you've done that, you'll need to click on the subscribe button, which is located right on top. After that, it's going to show you the verification. After that, you'll need to verify your email first of all. So click on resend verification. Now open up your Gmail if you have not verified your account. So a verification link or a verification code has been sent so that your account gets verified. As you can see that right on top, there is the verification code. So click on verify email and it has successfully verified your email address. Now click on continue to Discord once again. As soon as you've done that, a pop-up menu appears. So there are two different plans, so you can go through either one of it and select. Let's go with the first one. So select whether you want to do it yearly or monthly. After that, click on the like button. Select the payment type, whether you want to do it card, PayPal, or maybe other form. So select if it that you'll need to provide detailed information. Once you've done that, click on the next button. On the other page, you'll be notified with the statement, or you can just see your information. So basically, you'll have to go through it all. If you don't like this plan, you can also cross this and go to the step number 2. So that is how you can get a free credit card on Discord Nitro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.